If you're worried about being that helicopter parent when you talk to your stubborn child's teacher, I've got a few tips for you that I want you to be aware of. First of all, if the teacher doesn't really get your child or you have suggestions for them, but yet you don't want to be that mom, and I agree, I don't want you to be that mommy either. I want you to consider 5 things. I'm just going to bring them up here. One, make sure you've given it enough time. So if it's the first week of school, relax, unless she's asking for input or he's asking for input. Don't just jump in, right? Number 2, timing is everything. So ask, make sure for the right timing. Hey, I'd love to talk with you. When is a time that would work for you? Or do you have a couple of minutes? But then make sure they do have a couple of minutes. Make sure you don't go over and it's been 20 minutes. I'd also say to give the teacher the benefit of the doubt. So often as human beings, we just jump right in with our judgments and have all kinds of stories that go through our head of why they're doing something. Ask before you condemn. The next one, 4th one, is understand the teacher's approach. So go to those parent-teacher evenings. Ask them questions. And number 5, when you do have a meeting with them, once you've asked to talk with them, listen more than you talk. So I would say at least half the time, be listening to them, asking them, what are the goals that are teaching? What do they see in your child? What makes them say that? How can you be supportive? All those kind of things. So at least you can be a team with your child's teacher to have the best chance of that happening. If you like parenting tips like this and want more, make sure you've subscribed. And if you feel like you're ready to take it to the next level, reach out to me, DM me, and let's see if we can't get into a one-on-one stubborn child solutions coaching session to see how I might be able to be of service so you can get your own stubborn child turnaround. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.